Hello from HostOye.com. So in this video, I will guide you how can you install the SSL certificate on your website. So if you see any warning here, just like not secure, so it's mean SSL certificate is not installed on your website. So you need to just open the cPanel and then you need to click on here SSL TLS status. So click on this one, and after that, you need to just click on this one, run auto SL. Click on this button, and then after 2 or 3 minutes you can see the SL certificate installed. Here you can see all SL certificates already installed, but in your case when you see any warning here, you see here in a cross. So when you press this button auto SSL, then basically the cPanel is automatically install all the SL certificate on your WordPress website or any website if you are running any Node.js, Python, WordPress, any website if you are running on cPanel. So after uh, installing the SL certificate, you can refresh the site, and again if you see the same error not secure, then you need to open the incognito mode, and then you need to try. And also another thing you need to check, you need to click on when this SL certificate is installed, you can see is in progress. So when the SL certificate install, okay, now you can see when you see this one, SL certificate check has completed, the page will basically show that the SSL certificate is installed. So then you need to click on tools, because this is also you need to done for your WordPress website or any website if you are running on cPanel. So you need to click on this one and then click on domains, and then you need to, here you can see hostoy.com and the website we are seeing, and then click on this one. Okay, you need to on this force https redirect, you must on this, basically force https redirect option, you must click on this one on, and then you need to click on incognito mode, and now you need to hit your website, and then you see the SSL certificate install, and now you see don't warning here. Okay, so if you again see the same warning, then you need to basically open any other browser because due to cache issue, maybe sometime on incognito, maybe browser shows the previous result, so you need to click on any other browser, and then hit your basically domain name, and then you need to check, just like here you need to check, and here you see the https is okay, and now you can see there is no warning. So it's mean the SSL certificate is successfully installed. So this is the process uh, in which basically you can use and install the SSL certificate. Thank you.